Hi, I made a full-length video here and I want to show you how I can break it down into stories or shorts. So you have this slider here that you can control the length of the loop. So all you have to do is select a portion of it and rename it Story 1, and then you add it to the render queue, and call it there, and then you just slide it over, rename it Story 2, add to render queue, and you just go about doing this. Don't forget to rename it, and you can break down your video in just a matter of seconds. Now I've turned this reel into 4 days worth of content. So thanks for watching.